Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into Apple leaks, tech rumors, and deep dives into the next big things, hit that like button and subscribe because today we're unpacking the iPad Pro M5 and trust me, this one's going to blow your mind. The M5 chip powerhouse, this will be Apple's first tablet with 3 nanometers or even 2 nanometers process technology, making it the most powerful chip ever in an iPad. We're talking up to 12-core CPU, up to 18-core GPU, a 32-core neural engine for crazy fast AI tasks like real-time video editing, live 3D rendering, and AI-driven art. Think your iPad Pro is fast now? This M5 is going to run circles around the M4 and M2 chips. Whether you're editing 8K video, gaming with AAA titles, or running complex machine learning models, this thing won't break a sweat. OLED display plus dynamic island, the leaks say we're getting a tandem OLED display, brighter, sharper, and with promotion 2.0, possibly pushing refresh rates beyond 120 Hz. And yes, you heard it right. Rumors suggest the dynamic island could finally land on the iPad Pro. Notifications, multitasking, and background activities will pop seamlessly from the top, just like on the iPhone. Imagine editing videos while getting real-time background renders, or gaming while chatting with friends in a sleek floating UI. This could completely redefine the iPadOS experience. iPadOS 19 and new features. Speaking of iPadOS, the M5 iPad Pro will ship with iPadOS 19, and it's rumored to be packed with AI-driven features like smart multitasking, universal control, plus on-device Siri 2.0 context-aware workflows. Your iPad Pro will finally feel like a full computer, not just a big iPhone. And with macOS Sequoia sharing some features, we might even see smoother cross-device controls between your Mac, iPhone, and iPad. Release date plus price. Most leaks point to a late 2025 launch, probably in October or November, right before the M5 MacBooks. Pricing? Expect it to be premium. 11-inch model starting around $1,099 to $1,199. 13-inch model from $1,299 to $1,399 with optional upgrades for more storage, maybe even up to 4 terabytes SSD and higher RAM options hitting 24 gigabytes or more. Should you upgrade? If you're a power user, creative professional, or someone who wants the absolute best, the M5 iPad Pro looks like the upgrade you've been waiting for. Blazing fast performance, a laptop-quality display, and new productivity features make this a serious contender for your next work machine. And that's a wrap on the latest iPad Pro M5 leaks. What feature are you most hyped about? The OLED display, the M5 chip, or dynamic island finally coming to iPad? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Smash that like button, subscribe for more epic Apple leaks, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.